Really? Okay. Everybody's off for breakfast, including her. Now, this has been the big thing of her crossing that little bit of wood. Let's see if she can do it. There she goes. In the past, she has never wanted to do that. And there we go. Now Mia's here with everybody else. Yep, there's the crew. Morning, Buttercup. Morning. Come on, Penny. You can come too. Come on, Penny. Come on, Penny. Come on. There you go. Thank you, Penny. Let me go in this way. Okay, everybody move out of my way. I'm backing up. There we are.
Get in your bed.
Isn't it? She said, well, if you think I'm staying here, you're nuts. Come on, Bambi, you gonna bounce? Buttercup. And Buttercup is visiting because her Auntie Debbie had a liver transplant. And she's doing beautifully, by the way, Miss Buttercup. Penny. Penny. Hello. Uh-oh, we're missing somebody. Momo must not be awake yet. Okay, breakfast is almost ready. Good morning, Miss Dixie. She's going to take her eyes off of the breakfast maker. It's Mama Franny. Good morning, Dogster. I hope you're having a good breakfast, too.